Hello, welcome to Reenie Thread Hub. This is the company. We are known for importation of all types of wares from China, Bangladesh, Turkey, Vietnam, just name it. As God may have it, this is our just landed goods, parts of our goods from China, and we are about to unbox them and see the beauties we have imported. Shout out to all our customers out there who love and have been patronizing this brand. We are so proud of you. So we go into unboxing them. Let's know what we have in here. Wow. I guess this is our fuse ball game. This is our fuse ball game. Lovely, isn't it? Wow, this is beautiful. You can also